Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the second part of the most common composition techniques. If you haven't watched my first video, you can watch it here. And if you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell to get notified once I upload a new video. So let's get started. Number 8. Foreground interest and depth. Photographs are 2D by nature. Adding foreground element in the frame will give the viewers a 3D feel. Number 9. Fill the frame. This technique is very different from the one that we talked about in the previous video. Filling the frame with your subject helps the viewer to focus on that subject without distraction. Number 10. Negative space. In the previous composition technique, I told you to fill the frame. Leaving empty spaces around the subject is a powerful technique to help the viewers to focus on the main subject. Looking at my logo, it is small but impactful, but this one is overwhelming. Number 11. Simplicity and minimalism. We have a saying that less is more. And simple is beautiful. We can create a beautiful photos by removing any distractions in the scene. If you want to isolate your subject to your background, try using aperture or portrait mode to add some bokeh effect. Number 12. The rule of space. It is adding a visual space in front of the direction of your subject. If your subject is a person or animal, your subject should be looking into the frame, not out of it. Number 13. Left to right rule. This rule is very similar to the previous rule. This rule suggests that you should be taking pictures where your subject flows from left to right. Possible reason why this rule exists is because we used to read and write from left to right. But keep in mind that in some countries, reading and writing flows from right to left. Number 14. Juxtaposition. It comes from the Latin word juxta, means near or alongside, and the English word position. Checking the definition in the dictionary, it is the act or an instance of placing two or more things side by side, often to compare or contrast or to create an interesting effect. Number 15. The golden ratio, and the formula is here. It's math, seriously? Let's skip this one. But if you want to know something about this composition technique, I'll put the link in the description box below. Let's replace that by repetition, and interaction. Repetition is pleasing to the eye, but it's best when it's interrupted. To wrap this up, these composition techniques are there to guide you. In the end, these are just rules. You can bend it, you can even break the rules. Practice makes progress, so practice and experiment. If you haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button and hit the bell to get notified once I upload a new video. Ano pang hinihintay mo? Frame mo na yan.